She's jealous of me.
And even I had asked you, why should she be jealous of you?
Are you on her side or mine? Talk to her secretary and send these files. Miss Anushka wants them right now.
I'll send the files, pal.
If things don't work out even then, I will sell some of my stocks.
What do you think, Karthik? Where should we conduct the press conference? Delhi, Mumbai or Hyderabad? Karthik?
Ask brother Shrikant. He's very much interested in movies.
Mom, I think Mumbai is a better idea. Anyway, the entire industry is put up there.
Yes. We can even plan a party.
How can you discuss this nonsense here by leaving Dad all alone there? We just have a week's time to repay the bank loan. The Reddy Corporation is in danger. And you all of you are sitting here without doing anything.
He's worrying for no reason. He doesn't know KK. He's a phoenix. I have seen him rising from the ashes. Where is Anushka?
Anushka, apart from the Reddy Corporation, there are 4 people who would have got affected by this deal personally. Sudhanshu Nanda, Hira Sanyal, Ashok Gandhi, Rajiv Joshi.
Will this affect them personally?
Yes.
So, if I write Dad's name in the place of the Reddy Corporation, it would have affected him personally too.
Yes, it would. Note it down.
Sir, did you notice something?
What?
Look at this. If we take the first letter of all these names, look at this. The word shark is formed. Don't you think it's weird?
Your phone is ringing.
Phone? Yes. Hello?
Where are you? I told you that we'll have our dinner together.
Well, I'm sorry, Mom. I got some important work and I have come outside for the same.
But where are you? Shrikant told me that it's been quite long since you left.
Mom, I'm at Mr. Prabhakar's house. I had to discuss some legal matters, so that's why I'm here.
Fine. Come home soon.
Okay, bye.
What is she doing at Prabhakar's house?
Anushka's legal training has started today. Anyway, that's nice. Because there are 2 lawyers in that house. One Mr. Prabhakar and one Siddhant. So, it's okay.
You were late today?
Yes, I had some work. Did you have your dinner?
Yes. But your dad is yet to have his dinner. He'll take some more time. He'll have to finish his work first.
Since he didn't go to office, has he opened one at home?
Okay, you go and freshen up. I'll serve your dinner.
No, I already had it outside.
You should have at least informed me. I'll have to stuff everything in the fridge now.
They are the same files, which Anushka had asked for. So they are here now. I reckon you're working on some important case.
Yes, sort of.
If you want, I can help you.
No. one should take the accountability of one's work. I will be able to manage.
Who keeps chocolates in a trunk?
What is your problem? Why do you keep checking the trunk?
Look, I know that all your secrets are inside it. God knows one can get hold of anything.
This trunk belongs to me, so I can keep anything I wish to. Stop opening the trunk every now and then. Or just watch. Someday a ghost might come out of it. Go on, check it. You shouldn't miss out on anything.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू